Imagine a mountain range older than Himalayas, a natural shield protecting North India from deserts. Today, people are protesting to save it. What is really happening to the Aravalis? Here where story begins. Long before cities, highways and industries existed, there stood the Aravali range. These hills are more than 1500 million years old. They stretch across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. For centuries, the Aravalis quietly worked like nature's guard. They stopped the deserts from spreading. They helped store groundwater. They supported forests, animals and villages. People lived around them, depended on them and respected them. As time passed, cities grew. Stones were needed for roads, buildings and development. Mining started in many parts of the Aravalis. Slowly, hills were cut, forests reduced and water levels dropped. Environmental groups began to worry. They said, if Aravalis disappear, deserts can move slowly to cities and water problems will increase. Because of these concerns, the Supreme Court of India stepped in. The court said no new mining leases should be given in the Aravali region. A proper management plan is prepared. The aim was not to stop development completely, but to protect a fragile natural system. And do you know what happened now? Recently, the Environment Ministry told states like Rajasthan, Gujarat and Haryana strictly to follow the Supreme Court orders. Existing mines can continue only if they follow all rules. No new mining is allowed for now. The ministry also asked the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education to prepare a scientific management plan. This plan will clearly mark areas where mining can be allowed, areas that are ecologically sensitive, areas that must be fully protected. There is no fixed deadline yet for this plan. Then, why are these people are protesting? Some people fear that the definition of Aravali area is not clear everywhere. Weak rules may allow more mining in the future. Clear rules will actually protect the hills better. So the protests are not about one decision, but about the trust, protection and future of the Aravalis. This is not a fight between development and nature. It is a search for balance. The Aravalis remind us that some things cannot be rebuilt once lost. The question is simple. Can we grow without destroying what protects us? If you want more simple stories that explains what really happening, please like and share this video. This is Ramya Shrialanki signing off. Thank you.